What's up YouTube? This is John back with another episode of Engineering Awesome, and today I'm going to go ahead and do the final touches welding wise on this frame. I've got a few pieces here that just need to go on, and then I can move on to doing some of the motion. Let's get right into it. So I've got three pieces with a quantity of 4 each that I'm going to be welding on today. I've got these, which are actually cut-offs, and what I did here was I shortened these because I made everything the same length and ended up just deciding I wanted this the same width as the 3x3 tubing. So when I cut those shorter, there was a tapped hole that was left over. It's not perfectly centered, but it's going to work for my purposes. I'm going to use these to weld the electrical panel on. These right here are just going to mount right here, except on the other side of the tubing. And what those are going to do is let me mount the piece of tubing, 3x3 tubing, for the linear rails. And then I'll be able to bolt those on, and I can start moving on with some of the motion stuff. And these plates, I think they're probably kind of obvious, but I'm going to use them to mount the casters, and that's going to let me move this around the garage a little bit, get it out of my way, and really just see how it moves. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let's get to welding. About everything on here. I've only got the 3 electrical panel mounts left to do, but I want to do those I think after I put the wheels on. The wheels are going to be a bit of a pain, so I'm going to go ahead and install those now, and then I may or may not finish up today. I've got some things I need to get done outside of the garage, so let's go ahead and get the casters on and see if we can finish that up in at least this video. So I got the first caster on, and it looks great. I got a little bit of weld spatter in one of the holes, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that up and get the bolt put in. But ultimately, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I used a stop when I was using the drill press to put these in, and then flipped the piece over, and then flipped it again, and then rolled it again. And so I really wasn't too sure how they were all going to bolt up after it was welded on and everything. I checked it on the table, but it turned out really well. I'm very happy with this. So if you guys are building one of these and you need casters, I'm going to go ahead and link those down below, so make sure you check that out. And if you guys are interested in this type of content, make sure that you subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time on Engineering Awesome.